Welcome back, party people. My name is Daryl Wilson, and today I'll be showing you guys how to turn your WordPress website into a mobile application that you can fully customize. Now, I gotta be honest, I spent a few days testing out various plugins and services, and I came across appmysite as one of the most coolest sites for you to use to turn your site into a mobile application. Now, before I kind of pitch you guys on the service, let me just show you guys what I'm talking about here, and you can be the judge, and we'll go from there. So let's say, for example, you guys want to create an application, right? Well, with appmysite, you can fully customize your app. Now, you can customize the app icon, you can customize the launch screen, the login and sign up, the color theme, and so on and so forth. So for example, you ever seen like the launch screen where you press a button and the little thing pops up, like, oh, welcome, whatever. You can customize that. Now you can add in your logo, you can change the background, you can change the fonts. Everything's fully customizable. So for example, let's say you want to add in an image to your background. We can add in a beautiful image here. And just in case the image might be too bright or you want it to be a different color, you can always add in a specific overlay to that background to kind of enhance the text. You can also add in your logo, which is really cool. And if you don't have a logo, if you're just getting started out and you're not really sure where to go, you can always just use plain text and you can customize that text. You can customize the color, the font, and also the size is right here as well. And they do have my font. They have pop-ins. Yes, it's about time. A lot of websites don't have pop-ins, and I'm like, it's a beautiful font. Also, you can customize your login screen. So here you can see I added in this background image, and it's just a really sleek, really nice design. And of course, you probably want to upload your logo here. But then again, you can just upload the text if you just want to go that route. So we have just welcome, maybe a site, or maybe maybe your website address would be better, or your company name, not just welcome, right? But yeah, that's that. But you can customize the color, the fonts, the logo. You can customize everything about your login and sign up screen. And then also here we have color theme. So you can actually change the color theme within the app, which is really cool. You can also change the font to kind of match what you're trying to go for. Because, if you have a site that uses Comic Sans, you might want to stick with Comic Sans. And then also you can change the color of the buttons and the text color and all these other settings. And then here we have the home screen. And the home screen essentially is just what you want displayed on it. So you can have the main banner, then you can also select specific pages. So you can kind of go through and say, you know what, I want this available on the app, I don't want this available. So you can kind of, pick and choose what you want on your mobile application, which is really cool. I really do like that. For most of us, we're probably just gonna use the web view, which is just like your websites from a mobile browser, right? Now, also what I really do like about this website that a lot of other websites are lacking is the add-ons. Now, they do have add-ons here that will actually help you guys get your app onto the App Store. So when you make an app, a lot of the times the developers make apps for you and they kind of leave you in the dark, and there's a lot of other things that go into it. So you need to actually upload it to the store. You have to meet certain requirements and certifications. And this website will do all of that for you. So it's a very convenient site. I really do like the process of it. They do have a lot of add-ons that I'll talk about a little bit later in the end of the video that go through everything that you need to get your app onto the App Store and for Android and iOS devices. So there is a link in the description below to appmysite. If you guys like what you saw so far, if you guys like what you saw so far, I'll go ahead and walk you through how to set all of this up. And the pricing is really fair. It's a great application. Now, the great part also about appmysite is that you can get started completely free. So you can customize and build your app. You can change the colors. So you can kind of see how everything looks before you pay. Now, before I show you guys how to actually build the app, which is really simple, I just want to quickly touch base on the pricing, because a lot of people are like, well, Daryl, you just want me to pay for the most expensive plan ever, It's like, that is not true. In fact, for $19 a month, you can get your application published on the iOS and the Android market. And when you browse around to other competitors, they're gonna want $50 to like $200 a month. So appmysite pricing is really, really competitive. If they do give me a coupon code, I will put it in the description below. But for now, let's just go ahead and get started for free and test out this service and see how it works out for you. So when you get to this part, you'll just click on Get Started for Free, and you'll go ahead and walk through and sign up with this service. Now, I'm already logged in. I already have a paid plan, but what I'll do is I'll go ahead and log out here. All right, so from here, you can go ahead and build your app. So right here, you'll see build app. Just go ahead and click build app. Now, don't worry about all this stuff. You can change this all later in the customization section, but they're just trying to get you set up right here. Now, I'll just enter in my domain, tutorialdomain.com. And then right here, we have the CMS platform. We are using WordPress. Now, this part is actually very important. When I first used this, I was thinking to myself, it doesn't matter, but it actually does matter. They'll actually they'll actually propagate your app according to whatever plan that you pick. So for now, I'll just select CMS pages, which is just like my WordPress pages, and then give my app a name. I will go ahead and put, I don't know, Paddywhack. We'll do Paddywhack again. Paddywhack for everything. Now, of course, if you guys are an e-commerce website with a blog, you'd want to put e-commerce website. If you're just a blog, go ahead and put just a blog, and then you can kind of customize it and design it. And you guys will see. You guys will see. I know you guys are smart. You guys are, you guys are smart. And so there we go. All right, so this is the app icon. Now it's gonna prompt you in this kind of step-by-step guide, which I really do like. So on the right side, you see we have Paddywhack, right? Now, of course, we have this blue background color, which is really boring, right? So you can go ahead here and you can upload your own logo or your own app, which you might want to design, or you might wanna use your brand. So from here, I'll go ahead and use an icon. I think I use this one right here. You guys can see all of my future videos. Don't tell anybody, all right? I got a lot of other videos I haven't published yet, but I'm working on, you know. Here we go. I'm gonna crop this image. All right, cool. So on the right side, you can see we have this icon now, and that looks really, really nice. I really do like that. So here, I'll just click on next. All right. And now we have the launch screen. All right, cool. And I just showed you guys this before, so you guys can kind of understand how to do this. So here they have the background image, and what I really do like is that they actually have this whole library that you can kind of pick and you know, mess around with. So let's do something here. We got all these beautiful women over here. We got a chicken, and we'll just use this one. All right, we'll just keep it basic. All right, and there we go. So that's our launch screen, right? And we can, change this to something like white, or you can add an overlay. But for now, I'll just keep it basic, just keep it real, just leave it like that. You can add your logo here. So here under upload, you can upload your own logo. They do also give you the dimension sizes, so 500 by 233 pixels. So just make sure it's around that, or ask your Photoshop guide to Photoshop it for you. But yeah, let's go back here to launch screen. I just clicked on cancel. So here I'll do, what was it? We had the, where was it? We had the, there it is. All right. And then here we can go ahead and change the text or the color. And here we have different fonts. So you can see on the right side how the font is changing. Of course, you'd want to use a font that represents your business some way, somewhere around that. But I'll stick to Poppins and we'll do 28. There we go. All right, so this is good, I'll click on next. And this is pretty simple, right? I mean, this is a very simple process. I really do like this. It's simple for anybody to get started with an app. I myself made an app before, and it was a nightmare. And it was really, we made it for a social network, the WP Friends I made a long time ago. And it was just really, really hard, and we had no guidance. And I was like yelling at my app developer. I'm like, come on, bro, like, how do we do this? And he's like, yeah, man, it's gonna take a lot of time. And I was like, all right, But here we go, the background image. And this is actually the one like on the login screen. So something very subtle, right? Maybe like this ocean, Of course, you'd want to use something that represents your business or your brand. Here, I'll probably use this black, and then I will increase that. There we go. So people can see the ocean, but they can also see my brand at the same time, all right? And then here we have color theme and all this stuff. You guys can customize this and go crazy. I'm not really gonna go through that because you guys already know what colors are, right? And fonts, so. All right, and then we have the color theme. And this is when they actually load your app up. So when they load your app up, you're going to have parts of the app that will display. So we can see here Android and iOS. So I think something like black is good for me. And I do like the buttons also. I think this looks a little bit more modern. I do like the black look. So you'll go ahead and, go through that. Don't worry about all this, guys. So once you guys get your app up and running, you guys can go ahead and change whatever you want. All right, so don't panic. It's not like that show Deal or No Deal. All right, you can always, come back and say, wait, I got a counter offer, Here we have the home screen. Now, I think the optimal settings here is just taking these off and just leaving the web view. So here we have the actual app like menu and stuff like that, where they can customize their account and they can access their pages. But the web view you must have, all right? Because if you don't have this, nothing will show up. So you must have your web view up. And then here you have other settings. You guys can, you guys can design those or go through those on your own time. But just make sure you have web view on. All right. We got that. Are we green? All right, and then here we go. So now that we've actually designed the application, we need to connect this to our website of whatever website that you want to connect it with. So let's go to my website. All right, so make sure you guys log into your WordPress dashboard. And from here, what we're gonna do is that we're going to install a free plugin. So under plugins, we'll click on add new. And the plugin that we need, or you guys can actually just click on download plugin, is just called appmysite. Either way, it'll redirect you to the plugin, or you can go ahead and just type it in there, appmysite. Appmysite. Let's see, here we go. And this is the plugin that you need. So appmysite, and that's it. So just go ahead and activate it. Now, once you guys activate it, you'll go back over here and you guys can actually click on verify. And what it'll do is that it'll sync up with your website and it'll pull the information from your site. So right here, I'll click on verify. You guys can also go to take me there. It'll take you right to the plugin. So let's see how this works. We clicked on verify and let's see if that worked. I think that worked. Yeah, congratulations. You've set up your app. Give it a spin. All right. And then from here, you guys can test out the app. You guys can see how it looks. You guys can, just do like a few test runs on it. All right, here we go. So I'm going to launch the app. There we go. And here I'll just click on allow. That's the default appmysite brand that they use. And here we go. This is my current website. Now I'm using the Buddy Boss theme here. So you guys can see what this looks like. And this looks very similar to Facebook and it looks great. In fact, it looks identical. So this is my current website. So you guys can see what it looks like from the actual, the actual mobile view, and it looks identical. So it looks the same. Everything looks really, really good. It's connected. I am having a tutorial soon on Buddy Boss, and I will have a comparison between Buddy Boss and Peepso coming out a little bit later, but this video is just gonna be focused more on the application, obviously. So it looks great. Everything looks perfect. And once that's done, you guys can go ahead and say, all right, you guys can download the app. You guys can test it out. Now, once you guys actually, you're happy with this and you think that this is for you or not, you guys can upgrade to their Pro plan. Now, I really want to go ahead and talk about the plan to choose. I made the mistake of actually purchasing the middle plan. So here we have monthly, right? You guys can purchase monthly, but personally, I would just do yearly. You will get a lot more off. You'll get a large discount. In fact, you'll probably save around 33% if you purchase the yearly plan. Now, with the yearly plan, you want to go with the Pro yearly because here you can get it for all platforms. So you can get it for the Android or the iOS device. And yeah, you want to be in both markets. You don't want to just say, well, I'm just an iOS guy or I'm an Android guy. Because you want to get both of those markets. And yeah, so you want to make sure that you do purchase the actual the Pro yearly. Also with this, you get the white label. So with the white label, you can take off the appmysite and you can just say, you can just get rid of them, or you can put your website or whatever you want to do there. They do also have a lot of other integrations. They have social media integrations, Google login integration. So they have a lot of really cool stuff. And I know this looks really easy on the back end, but guys, working with developers, this is a lot of work, and developers, you guys know that this is a lot of work, but people just take it for granted. It's like, the service is really, really amazing, actually. Now, once you guys decide to go with the plan, I would go with the Pro yearly personally, because then you guys can go ahead and publish your app and you can get it distributed on the App Store. All right, so here I'll go ahead and click on dashboard, right? Now you guys can explore these other options. They have, connectivity, app settings. They do have these other settings that you guys can check out. You guys do want to probably check out the app settings where you can put in your social logins or your social profiles, your pages, your app menu, and also the general settings. So yeah, just feel free to go ahead and customize this and check this out on your own time. Now, I also do really want to talk about the add-ons. When I first saw them, I was kind of like, yeah, they're a bunch of crappy upsells, and no, they're actually pretty helpful. And so here you'll click on dashboard, And when you click on dashboard, you'll scroll down. And here we have some featured add-ons. So we have white labeling, which will remove the appmysite watermark. However, I do believe that if you purchase the high-end plan that you will not have to pay this. I believe it is included in the package. But this one I really like here. So this right here will upload it to the app stores, and it is a very tedious process. These people are really right. It's a lot of work and it's tedious, and if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna have a really hard time with it. So these guys will do all that for you, so you can really get your app live on the actual app store. Also here you have language supports, and I know there's a lot of multilingual people that watch my channel, so if you guys do speak another language, you guys can get language support here, and they can kind of work on translating your app into a language of your choice. So they have you covered. They really have you covered every single step of the way. So I just want to go ahead and introduce you to those add-ons. Let's go over here to see all. You know, I got to be honest, I've only seen a few here. Consent form, yeah, I don't know about that. Maybe let's see, app store optimization. Actually, consent form, I think actually there's already consent form. People log into the app stores, right? I don't know about that, but yeah, so you guys can go ahead and check out these other apps. Prevent screenshots. Ooh, that's a good one. You know, maybe they can't take screenshots. You know, that's, you know, maybe if you're running some, you know, I don't know, some 18 or over site, maybe you don't want screenshots. I don't know. Everyone has a different business. I don't, you know, I never judge anyone on what kind of website they're running. It's like whatever you want to do is whatever your business. So, but again, guys, you guys can use appmysite. It's a great service. If you guys have any questions for me, feel free to let me know. I will try to get a coupon code for you guys. I always reach out to these companies and see if they can give me a discount code. And if they do give it to me, I will put it in the description below of this video. But yeah, I really do hope this, I really do hope this helped you guys out. And until then, party people, I will see all of you guys in the next video. Take care.